In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your private key from BullX. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so now to export your private key from BullX, what we need to do, we need to come to the left hand side, and we need to, on the left hand side, we've got Wallet Manager tab, so click onto that. And then it will say Wallet Manager. You view and manage your wallet. So wallets, tokens, and we've got 2 private keys here. So we need to click on that. And then it'll say download your private key, 2 times key available. Go ahead and click on download private key, and also check that I acknowledge that keys cannot be downloaded again. So go ahead and click on download private key. And now it's in my downloads. So yeah, once you go into your downloads, click onto your file, and that's where your private keys are going to be kept. And then if we come back here, I acknowledge that these keys cannot be downloaded again. So you can't download your keys again once you've downloaded them for the first time.